price. Una competitor, pero 2,000 lang.
Free na, no?
Free again.
Free na?
Like Godzilla. Ini Godzilla. Mana?
I saw a snake there.
You remember? Balik ka na, sa dito.
Are you ready to see the big show? Well, I can't hear you. The sky belongs to the birds, although they are also the masters of the land and sea. No other group of animals could venture so high in the air, vast in all land masses, and now here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start our show by welcoming our flag raising bird, Bandit. So that right there is our green-winged macaw, and these birds are widespread throughout the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, our show's officially started. How about the round of applause for flag raising bird, Bandit? So hello everyone, my name is Tanan and welcome to Super Ocean Parks Amphitheater. My name is Vic. Vince, and I'll be your host for today's show. Now, our next featured birds are just like any best friends. Now, sometimes you know that friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And the Navy soon will over who's going to be the best in the basketball game. Now, before we start the game, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now, for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. And now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. Come on, girls, say, go Azul, go Azul. Alright, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Oh, wala any energy. Once again, are you guys ready? Ready? Trainers ready? And go! Let's go birds now. First ball for Blue, followed by Azul. Second ball goes to Blue, followed by Azul. And is it away? And Blue is the basketball game. That's alright, guys. So Trainer Beth, you lost this game. What can you say?
Oh, Trainer Christine, we want another race.
So you want another race?
You sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Oh my god.
Well, this time I guarantee you that Azul and I will win.
Pretty confident. So what race do you have in mind?
Let's do an air ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all three rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. Now remember, girls, Blue and the boys have 1 point already. This time, let's cheer louder for Azul to win the ring race. So are you guys ready for the second round? Oh, good energy. Once again, are you guys ready? Trainers ready? Trainers ready? And go! Let's go, Azul. Now, first ring by Blue. Second ring by Blue. So very interesting, did you see that? 3 rings, what did you say?
Almost not winning that, you guys see it.
What did you guys really cheat?
No guarantee, Azul just use her ring.
Wow, so a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time I need 1 adult volunteer with a 50 peso bill. Okay, nasa naman, it's another volunteer. Sir? Sige na today, sir, and bring with you your money. 50, 20, or 100. Basta paper bill mo. Okay, fine. Saan today, sir? Saan ka po? Sige, sir. Kailangan ka baka sa oras na yun, sir. Clap, sir. Sige, face the table, and I want you to extend your left arm sideways like this. Okay, sir, no matter what happens, please don't move or swing your arms. Already now? Ready? Now let's call in our money bird. Here we go, Blue. Let's go, Blue. There we go, Blue flies over. And gets the money. What's next, Blue? So Blue flies back to the table, and guess what, sir? Blue wants to donate your money. Yes, sir. Okay na. Sure? Since it's okay, sir, how about the second round? Another 1,000. For the first sir. Okay, sir, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. We'll be returning your money, but first, Blue wants a picture with you for saving here. So just stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. And give us your best smile and pose with our money bird, Blue. Smile for the camera, Blue. So thank you so much, sir. Here's your money back. And for a while, please call our photographer over there. They'll give you a free picture. So a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird. Let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. So that right there is Bandit, the trainer next is Yoshi, and the trainer now we have Goldie. first up on your right side with Trader Christy is our Green Wing Baka Medic. So as you can see, those birds are covered with mostly red plumage. Now their tail and their wings are blue and green. So that macaw has a white-legged face striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Arachloraptorus. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi! The macaws, as you can see, are covered with a beautiful shade of blue on their backs, and their belly and inner wings are solid yellow. Now their eyes and wings are solid black. So those birds are typically found throughout the country, though we would also have her birds on it. Now Yoshi right there can live up to 50 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws Bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 to 70 years old. Now lastly, did you guys know that parrots are... Now even though this is their behavior, Bandit tells us on the show's back to their correct thoughts, and it's not possible without intelligence, memory, and perception. So in the wild, they use this skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Watch it, Bandit. And there we go, intelligent fire, another round of applause for Bandit. Now here is a ball which I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. Now you see all the cups are empty. Now which side do you want me to hide this ball, on your left, right, or in the middle? You choose left, right, middle. Alright, let's place it right here. Now let's call it our second bird, Goldie. Now do you think Goldie can find a hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Hidden object. Goldie searching. He's getting each cup, using her psychic powers. And she found it! Another round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. Now up next, let me introduce to you to our cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. So around the globe, there are 21 different species of cockatoos, but here we have 3. First up is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Pinky. Next is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and lastly we have our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. Now let's call it Snow, Pinky, and Nigel. Which will raise up like an umbrella. Now for our last cockatoo, we have Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo, also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of their pinkish white colored feathers. Now before we begin, I would like to ask you guys 2 numbers from 1 to 20. Again, give me 2 numbers from 1 to 20. 18. Okay, give me another number. Louder! 19. Okay, so our equation is 18 plus 19. Now we all know the answer, right? But you must not sell the answer just yet. And before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Call in our math wizard. Okay, so our equation is 18 plus 19. Alright, Snow, are you ready? Okay, Snow, now give us the first number. And Snow grabs number 7. Now, did Snow pick the right number? Wait, we're not getting sure good. Okay, Snow, nice try. Finish your answer, please. And there you go, Snow, grabs number 3. So 18 plus 19 equals 37. A round of applause for our math wizards. Okay, now are you guys ready to see our raptors? Wait, really excited. Once again, are you guys ready? Yeah! Alright, first up, we have our Brahmanicite Mika. Our Brahmanicite scientific name is Alastor ambus. Now these birds are widespread throughout the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Where in Australia, they're called as red-backs eagles. So normally here in the Philippines, we call them as lawis, or in the Visayas region. So muna siyang namaming birds sa division ng Philippines at batang lawis. Now these birds prefer their habitats on wetlands, mangrove forests, lakes, and coastal areas. So their primary diet. Now the Philippine serpent eagle is endemic in the major islands of the Philippines. Now these birds are usually found on open woodlands and forests. Now they're distinguishable from other species of eagles by more well-defined spots on their bodies and wings. Now the wildest birds primarily feast on mice, reptiles, and snakes. The Philippine eagle and the Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So as if Freddy is a serpent eagle, meanwhile the Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy. And there we go, that's it for our Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. For our last raptor, our biggest eagle yet. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our white-bellied sea eagle, Buddy. So excuse me, guys above, please take your seats. Now these birds' scientific name is Haliaetus leon on Southeast Asia and Australia. As you can see, these birds are primarily white, forming a strong V-shape. Birds primarily to feast on sea animals, fish, sea turtles, and sea snakes. They can also hunt big animals such as sheep and sloths. Alright, let's go. First up. Okay, another one. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready and let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. For Philippine Rufus Hornbill Sloth. Yes, everyone remembers the 3 R's. It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call in our lovely bird once again to show us the proper waste disposal. So unfortunately, a lot of animals today are struggling because of pollution and improper waste management. So always remember to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our work show. Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah!
Ready?